Hello, this is episode 5 of the GCSE Biology AQA. So it is called respiration because that's what it's about. So respiration, there are two types of respiration: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration takes place when glucose plus oxygen combine in a chemical reaction to make water, carbon dioxide, and energy. This energy is the main product, and it synthesizes ATP, which sends chemical energy to the cells. However, if there is no oxygen, anaerobic respiration takes place, which is where glucose turns itself into lactic acid plus energy. However, this is a lot less energy than aerobic respiration creates, and lactic acid is dangerous as it not dangerous, but bad, as it slowly poisons muscles, causes cramp and muscle fatigue. So if there was oxygen, then lactic acid would be split up into water and carbon dioxide. However, it's not. There is no oxygen, and this leads to a thing called the oxygen debt. So this lactic acid can be broken down if oxygen is brought back. And oxygen debt causes you to breathe faster and more, as the amount of oxygen needed until you create the amount of oxygen needed to destroy all that built-up lactic acid. So those are the two types, and the breathing rate equals the number of breaths divided by the number of minutes, which makes a lot of sense, really. It's the exact same for the pulse rate, so you just remember it one way or the other. It's the same for both. Exercise causes the heart and breathing rate to increase, which means more blood is delivered to cells. This blood contains oxygen and glucose, so that allows more of this respiration reaction to take place. Muscles store glucose as glycogen for use during exercise. Fermentation is, in many ways, similar to anaerobic respiration. It's when glucose is turned into ethanol and carbon dioxide. Fermentation happens in yeast, and the enzymes work best at 50 degrees Celsius. Yeast is used quite commonly in things such as to make bread rise and to make alcohol. Respiration is very important as it is how the body creates energy. Energy is required for all life processes. The mitochondria is where respiration takes place in cells. Mitochondria release energy and are an organelle. So that is respiration. Lots of space down there. Bio 8 respiration. No, 8, 5. Yeah. Okay, goodbye.